Imagine waking up every day knowing your income doesn't depend on how many hours you work. That's the power of business. Most people spend their lives trading time for money. They work hard, get paid, and repeat the same cycle year after year. But business owners think differently. They build systems that continue working even when they're not. Now, don't get me wrong, starting a business isn't easy. There will be failures, mistakes, and days when you question everything. But every successful entrepreneur has faced those same challenges. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for the perfect moment. The truth is, there is no perfect moment. The best time to start is with what you have right now. Think about some of the biggest companies in the world. Many started in a garage, a small apartment, or with very little money. What made the difference wasn't resources, it was persistence. Another important lesson is solving real problems. Businesses grow when they make people's lives easier, save them time, or help them achieve a goal. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the opportunity. Focus on creating value first. Money follows value. If you help enough people get what they want, success becomes much more likely. You also need to learn how to manage your time. Every successful entrepreneur understands that time is their most valuable asset. Instead of spending hours on distractions, they focus on activities that move the business forward. Building a strong brand is equally important. People buy from businesses they trust. Trust is built through consistency, quality, and keeping your promises. Don't be afraid of competition. Competition proves that there is demand. Instead of trying to be better than everyone else, focus on being different. One strategy that works in every industry is continuous learning. Markets change, technology changes, customer expectations change. The entrepreneurs who keep learning stay ahead. Another key factor is networking. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to grow. Opportunities often come through relationships. There will be setbacks. Every business experiences difficult moments. The difference between winners and losers is that winners keep going when things get tough. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every mistake teaches a lesson that can help you improve. As your business grows, learn to delegate. You don't have to do everything yourself. Great leaders build teams that help them achieve bigger goals. Most importantly, stay focused on the long-term vision. Don't quit because of short-term obstacles. Success often comes to those who stay committed longer than everyone else. If you consistently take action, keep learning, and focus on providing value, you'll put yourself in a position where success becomes possible. The journey won't always be easy, but it can absolutely be worth it. Start today. Start small if you need to, but start. Because 1 year from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll be glad that you did. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more business and entrepreneurship content.